In this tutorial we are going to learn how to flash HTC526G plus smartphone using SD card. To do it we require SD card. I'm going to insert it to my laptop. As you can see there, this zip file is copied into my SD card. You can find a link for download this zip file below the description section of my video. The major thing is this zip file is only for the HTC 526G plus. If you are using another type of HTC mobile phone, you may have to find the particular SD card update zip file for that mobile phone. So I'm going to remove the memory card from the laptop, and then I'm going to insert into my mobile phone. Right, all the most major thing that you have to remember is your mobile phone battery should have at least 80% of charge, because due to the flashing process it may take few time. For the whole time the battery could be able to power up your mobile phone. If your battery fail to power up your phone, sometimes your mobile phone can be brick. So I'm going to insert my battery, and then remind to close your back cover, because if you didn't close your back cover your battery can be loose due to the flashing process. If some bad thing occur on the flashing process, I like to remind you back again, your phone can be brick. So the next thing that we have to do is I'm copied zip file to the memory card. Then you have to press power button and volume up button together at the beginning. Let's see. Right, now you can see in here it says that select boot mode and volume up to select and volume down to okay. So I am going to press volume up to change that arrow key to recovery mode. Right, now it on recovery mode. Now press volume down key. Right, now we're logging into the boot command. No, so now it says no command. The thing that you have to do now is press volume up, no, the press power button. After that you can take this kind of menu. You have to select apply update from SD card. So to do it you can press volume down to move the cursor, and then press volume up when you come up to the apply update from SD card. Right, now in here you can see the name of the zip file that we are copied to the memory card, 1.05.720.1 SD card update. You have to move to that position, press volume down, and when the cursor come up for that position you have to press volume up. Okay, the update process is started. Let's see what happened. It may take few time. Due to this process, please don't remove the battery, and it's better to being without even touching your mobile phone. Let's see how much of time may it take. So the upgrading process is done, and then this menu is appeared automatically. So the cursor is on reboot system now, so I'm going to press volume up. Right, the phone is getting restart automatically. Yeah, sound good. Congratulations, your smartphone has been updated successfully to version 1.05.720.1. So I'm gonna press OK. It's quite good. Camera is working. So that's it. Hope will that method will work for your HTC phone also. It's not only about HTC526G plus. The most kind of HTC phones will work for this kind of SD card flashing method. The only thing you have to find the SD card update zip file from the internet. It will not be much difficult. You have to browse, you have to google it and try to find some way to find that zip file, rather than using SP flash tool or the kind of flash software. This method is quite easy.